Hey Soul Squad, welcome to my kitchen. And today we're doing fully loaded baked potato soup. Let's see, why you doing all the soups? Girl, it is cold outside, honey. Today is Thursday. Our kids are out of school because of snow. They said on the news yesterday, Washington, D.C. was colder than Juneau, Alaska. Juneau, Alaska right now. I'm like, what? It's cold as freak outside. So I want to do soup. The kids are home. I can have this pot here for them all day. And you, come on, over here. This is bacon. Because I'm making a fully loaded potato soup. Guys, you're going to need bacon. You may not need a whole pack. I use a whole pack because everyone is home and they may want to top it with bacon once it's finished cooking. But if you're not using toppings and everything, you may use like 8 or 9 pieces to fry for your stew. Not for your stew, for your soup. So, you need bacon. You need shredded cheese. You need potatoes. You need butter, sour cream, flour, milk, vegetable broth, vegetable stock, what I got here. Chicken broth. Girl, I'm all over the place. Okay. Why I want to say this. With this potato soup, some people use onions and fresh garlic. I do not like onions. And it's supposed to be a fully loaded potato soup like your baked potato. I don't put onions on my baked potato, nor do I put garlic on my baked potato. I understand it's for flavor. So I decided to use the powdered garlic, the powdered onion, and some salt and pepper so that it could give it that flavor. But I'm going to take you through stages. And if you decide to use a medium onion with three unclosed chopped garlic, you'll know when to put it in it. But right now, I'm rendering fat because this is a one pot, see that bacon? A one pot soup. You can use your pot for everything. I use this pot to cook the bacon in. I'm going to use this pot because of the flavors that's left over from the bacon. But I'm not using the bacon grease. And guys, I use about 14 potatoes. Again, everyone is home and I have these little potatoes here. But if you have large potatoes, you may need no more than like 6 or 7 or maybe even 4 or 5. Depends on how big your family is, depending on how much soup you're making. See, I rendered the fat from the bacon. I'm going to drain the grease and I'm going to come right back in 2 seconds because we're going to make our roux. And we're going to start that with some unsalted butter, onion powder, garlic powder, and flour. And at this point, if you want to use fresh onions and your fresh garlic, that's what you would need it at this point. But we'll be right back. Let me dump this grease. Okay, Soul Squad. My bacon, I'm getting my words more together this time and take this video slow. This is an easy video to make, a great soup to make. Okay, my bacon is ready. Again, I used the whole pack. I'm going to use a whole stick of unsalted butter. And I took all that fatty grease out. I will not be using that, you guys. Will not be using that. And the reason why I'm still using this pan, because all of this flavor from the bacon in this pan. All this flavor. Now, if you use a medium onion, and 3 cloves of fresh garlic and chopped up. Once this butter starts to melt, at this point you will pour. Oh, my thing's sweating. Okay. At this point, I was looking at some of you guys. You will place your onions in and let them sweat. Let them get translucent for 2 to 3 minutes, and then go back and add in your garlic because you don't want your garlic to burn. And then that's when you add in your flour. But since I'm not using onions, I'm going in, because remember, it's all about taste. I'm going in with my onion powder. And I am going to use a tablespoon of onion flour, and not a teaspoon, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Well, not a tablespoon, let's say 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, because I'm not that strong with garlic. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And I'm putting it in here with my butter, and I'm just going to stir. I want all the same flavors that would come if I was to use a medium onion and fresh garlic. You know, guys, this is how I make it. It's still going to have all those great flavors, but I don't put onions and garlic on my potatoes, so I'm going to put it in my, and that smells good. 2/3. Since I use 1 stick of unsalted butter, I'm going in with 2/3 of all-purpose flour. And guys, and this is my roux. And I want to stir it together maybe about for about 2 minutes, because I want it to lose that flour taste. You don't want your stuff tasting like flour, so you want to let it cook. See, look at it, Andrew. You want to let it cook. Even let it sit for a second or so. Again, you're like, oh, she ain't putting onions in it. I seen other people put onions in it. Remember, guys, when you cook according to you and your family, according to your taste buds and things like that. So that's why I said that I'm not putting onions in. I'm just letting it sit, because I want to get rid of that flour taste. And as I'm scraping the roux, I'm scraping the bottom of this pot, because I'm also getting that flavor in from the bacon. Okay, that should be good to go. You're going to need 4 cups. Not 1, not 2. 4 cups of chicken broth. Okay? I'll try multitask while I get the other one. This smells so good. Okay, and this cup that I'm using, my measuring cup, this is a 2-cup measuring cup. So it's 4 cups. Now, if you dice your potatoes small, when you go place them in here, it will take about 15 to 20 minutes, because you're only going to cook this soup, this so-called potato soup. Man, so-called is potato soup. While your onions. I'm mad at myself. Take my time to talk. You're going to cook your potatoes and your roux. Okay. Let me see why y'all all place. I don't know why I'm all place, guys. I've done a video all week. Along with this, some people use heavy cream. I'm using milk. I'm going to use 4 cups of milk, guys. 4 cups of milk. So it's 4 cups. I got a large family. So it's 4 cups of milk, 4 cups of chicken broth. That's it. That's all. And I can smell. You can smell the onion, and you can smell the garlic powder in this. And this is going to thicken. At this point, you want to place in your potatoes. Ooh, ooh. Splash. Don't do what I do. Don't splash. Potatoes has starch. It's also going to let the roux get thick. This is a medium heat. Guys, I'm placing my top on here for like 15 to 20 minutes, or until my potatoes are toothpick. I said toothpick. Until my potatoes are fork tender. What is wrong with me? I'm not sure. I'm going to wash all of this up. I'm going to clean it up. We're going to go over it again so you guys can get it, because I'm just all over the place today. I don't know if I didn't feel like doing it the other day. I don't know what's going on with me. But we're going to get this video done. If I have to like pull it out. Okay? This is going to boil for 15 to 20 minutes, or until my potatoes are softened. And we're going to come back, add in the bacon, the cheese, the sour cream, some salt and pepper, and we're going to be done. I'm making cornbread. While that's boiling, I'm going to get the cornbread in the oven. Be back. Okay, guys, we back. It took about maybe 30 minutes for my potatoes to, so look at that cornbread there. Guys, I'm going to put the link to that cornbread. I'm going to set my top right here. This smells so good throughout the whole house. And it's only the potatoes cooking. Guys, my potatoes are done. You know when your stew, I can saying soup.
Soup.
Soup. You know when your soup is ready because your potatoes are done. It took about my potatoes, if you cut them real small, see how that went right through? See? That potato, you don't want it too mushy. So, with that being said, I'm going in with 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You can use a cup and a half. I want 2 cups. My bacon. And with 1 cup of sour cream to give it that flavor. Guys, you're gonna love this, okay? And at this point, if you had like some green onions or anything you want to place on top, you can.
Oh, so we leaving all of this whole?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be nice and chunky.
Yeah, nice and chunky, the tomatoes. You know what? I've been talking crazy since this video.
You said tomatoes.
I said tomatoes, the potatoes.
It's not the last video.
So guys, let the cheese melt up in there. Again, if you like more cheese, and which I do, I use 2 cups. But guess what? Yeah, it's my house, it's my hands. I'm doing 3 cups. It's a potato. And I did not say this was a healthy meal. This is an indulgent. This is a comfort food. It's fattening. It's delicious. It tastes good.
It look good.
Yeah. And some people might mash up their potatoes. And you can dice your potatoes smaller than what I did. Because when I wanted chunks of potatoes in mine. So you could dice yours really small. I'm going to let this simmer for like 5 minutes.
Look at how velvety the sauce is looking right now.
Yeah.
It look nice.
I'm gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes with the top on it. Got my whole house smelling good.
Give a shout out to Campbell. Say he needs to hire you.
So guys, this recipe, I went in with 3 cups of cheese because I love cheese. So while this is simmering, I'm gonna place the top on it real quick. The top is hot. While that's simmering, I'm gonna go over the recipe with you guys. So do not use red potatoes. My store didn't have the Yukon potatoes, which would be the best potatoes to use in this recipe. But if you get white potatoes or the yellow potatoes or the gold potatoes or Russian potatoes, I mean, you can use those. They have starch. But most definitely do not use red potatoes. Do not hold enough starch for this. Okay, since I had the real tiny potatoes, I use 14. But if you get real big, large potatoes and cut them up small, so they could boil in your roux sauce and get tender done, maybe 5 or 6. 5 or 6. Okay, remember, I didn't use onions. I don't like onions. But if you want to use a medium onion, chop well, 3 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 stick of unsalted butter. Once you drain your bacon grease off, make your roux with your onions, your garlic, and your butter, and your flour. Let the flour cook down for about 2 minutes because you don't want your roux to taste floury. Then once you do that, you're going to go in with 4 cups of chicken broth. Then you're going to go in with 4 cups of milk. At this point, some people may use heavy cream just because they want it really rich and thick. If you decide to use heavy cream, just use that 1 16-ounce pint of heavy cream. If not, use 4 cups of milk like you did 4 cups of chicken broth. And that's it. Cook your bacon. Look at how much bacon you want in it. 1 cup of sour cream, 3 cups of cheese. And just let it cook. Just let it cook. And if you want to make cornbread, hey, pull out your cornbread. Guys, this is done. I can look at it and tell you the whole time I was talking to you guys, I know it's done. I'm going to take this top off of it. Oh my God. Look at my soup. Oh, it's so cheesy. I'm going to plate this and let you guys see the end result. Oh, that looks good. Remember, my potatoes are big because I like them chunky. You can make yours small. Okay, we'll be right back. I got my favorite soup though, and my favorite later. And I'm just going in. Let it drip. Yes. I'm gonna do this mukbang just because this is it's what about 2 something. This is not only this is my lunch, breakfast, brunch, whatever you want to call it. This tastes just like a potato soup.
For real?
I'm going top mines. I say some bacon, you guys. A little bit of extra bacon. I'm cheese crazy. A little bit of extra cheese and a little bit of chive. So, guys, this is my fully loaded potato soup. I hope you guys try it, like it, and share with your family. It's cold outside here in DC, and we're about to eat. Follow my channel. I got a new video coming up, you guys, I made for my Change Your Life channel. Follow my son's channel, Jam Fam. Thank you for all the support. And as always, like, share, subscribe. Until next time. What? Like I said, 10 minutes. Come on with the I'm using my immersion blender to chop up the ooh, this will make a mess, y'all. Chop it up.